Easy English practice. The most useful idioms and phrases. Once in a blue moon. Meaning. Something that happens very rarely. Example. She visits her hometown once in a blue moon. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning. To stay up late working or studying. Example. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish that project. Bite the bullet. Meaning. To do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Example. I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet and make an appointment. Hit the books. Meaning. To start studying. Example. Exams are coming up, so it's time to hit the books. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning. Something that is very expensive. Example. That new smartphone costs an arm and a leg. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.